Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I am Beverly, 33 years old, from Gataran, province of Cagayan. I am single with live-in partner and blessed with two children, ages 14 years old and 6 years old, ma'am. I am a college graduate and in Bachelor of Science in Police Administration, ma'am.
In police
Yes,
administrations.
yes, ma'am.
Oh, I see. What can you learn from this course?
We've learned a lot, ma'am, about the laws and on how to defend yourself.
I
Uh,
see.
yes, ma'am.
I see. So may I know how many years you study in college?
4 years, ma'am.
Oh, it's a 4 years course. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Um, can you repeat how old are you and your kid?
I am 33, ma'am.
First.
My kids, my firstborn is now 14 years old. My second is now 6 years old.
Okay. So, if you come Hong Kong, who will take care of your kid?
My live-in partner, ma'am.
Okay. Why you want to come Hong Kong?
Because I want to earn money for my children and family, ma'am.
Okay, because you're 32 years old, right? Do you want to have
Yes, ma'am.
another kid for yourself?
As of now, ma'am, not
Enough.
now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me your working experience as a domestic worker?
I work as a housemaid here in Philippines for 4 years, ma'am.
Since when?
I since January 2021 to January 2025, ma'am.
2025. Okay. So 4 years in one employer.
Yes, ma'am. One employer and
Okay. How many family members they have?
four members, ma'am. A couple and their two
The
children, ma'am.
children. Okay. How old are they, the children, when you start working?
Uh, the oldest ma'am is 5 years old and 2 years old. Though both girls.
Both girls, okay. Okay,
Yes,
if they're both girl, do you know how to tidy up their hair like a ponytail
yes,
or make like Elsa, Anna?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay.
I know.
Um, okay, so you need to take care of the two girls. Are you the only one helper in this family?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell me what time you wake up?
I woke up early morning, five in the morning, ma'am, and then I I started preparing their foods,
Mm-hmm.
and then after that I will clean the house, ma'am,
Do you need to send
and
them to school?
the the younger one, ma'am.
The younger ones, two
I
years
the
old.
oldest one. No, the oldest one, ma'am.
Okay, so
The
how about the 2 years old one?
um stay at home, ma'am. I'll just teach her basic in like alphabets, just like that, ma'am.
Okay.
Alphabets, singing nursery rhymes, like
Mm,
that,
very
ma'am.
nice. And so you are the one who sent the 5 years old girl to school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But the 2 years is at home alone or
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. I will brought her, ma'am. I will brought her. I will me, the 2 years old and the 5 years old. We will go to the nursery school, and then we will leave her, and then we will go back to the house, ma'am.
okay, so 2 years old is stick with you. You just put down the
Yes,
5 years old
ma'am.
one. Mm,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay. I see. So you mentioned that you sing nursery song and play game and teach like alphabet to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
2 years old girl. And can you show me a nursery song that she loved to hear? She liked listening. Mm.
She love listening a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, ma'am, because when she hears that, she will fall asleep.
Okay, can you show me?
Okay, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
We Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Very nice. Thank you.
Thank
Um,
you.
how about do you need to sleep with the two kid, 2 years old and 5 years old? Do you need to sleep with them?
I have my own room, ma'am.
You have your own room, but in Hong
Yes,
Kong,
ma'am.
because our house is very small and we are so busy, so most likely you need to share a room. You need to sleep with the kid. Is this okay for you?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, and are you willing to wake up if the kid wake up in the midnight? Are you
Yes,
willing to?
ma'am.
Can you tell me what will you do if you find that the kid is feeling not comfortable, like not feeling
Pardon me.
well, not feeling well? What will
Uh,
you do?
I will check her temperature, ma'am.
Mm. So what will you do if you find that she has a high fever?
I will I will ask her parents with their medicine, ma'am.
Okay.
Mm.
Um, I see. And what will you do because you have two kids, 6 years old and 14 years old? Have you ever handle if the two kid is fighting? What will you do if keep fighting with each other? How can you stop it?
Be patient, ma'am. I will tell to the older one to understand his brother because he's just a little.
Okay. Talk to them, right? Nicely.
Yes, ma'am. I will talk to them nicely, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Do you like dog and cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you
We
have your
do.
own
We
dog?
do have. Yes, ma'am. I
Both.
have 7 dogs in our house, and then 5 cats.
7 dog,
Yes, ma'am.
7 cat. Okay. You're a pet lover.
Yes, ma'am.
I see. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am. But I am
Okay.
willing to learn, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. I see. And how many years you want to work in Hong Kong?
4 years and above.
Above. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.